Hello everyone. Today we are here going to read about the chapter National Symbols of India. First is Father of Nation. The Father of Nation is Mahatma Gandhi. He also known as Bapu. National currency. The national currency of India is rupee. It is the official currency of the Republic of India and controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. National Anthem. The national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It takes 52 seconds and was composed in Bengali language. National Song. The national song is Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The song has been translated into numerous Indian languages. National Language. The national language of India is Hindi. National Emblem. The national emblem is Ashoka Stamp. It is adopted from the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath, features 4 Asiatic lions. National Festivals. There are 3 national festivals of India. First is Independence Day. It was the most luckiest day for the people of India become free from the British Empire. Second is Republic Day. Constitution of India come into power on this day. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. This is celebrated to remember the birth of Mahatma Gandhi. The national sports of India. National sports of India is hockey. National animal. The national animal of India is Bengal tiger. India is home to largest number of Bengal tiger. National bird. The national bird of India is peacock, best known for long feathers and peacock dance before rain. National aquatic animal. The Ganga River dolphin has been declared as national aquatic animal of India. National flag. National flag is Tiranga, meaning tricolor, adopted 22nd of July 1947 and designed by Pingali Venkaiah. National fruit. Mango is the national fruit of India. India is home to more than 100 varieties of mango fruits. National flower. National flower is lotus. Indian lotus is the most beautiful species of aquatic plant commonly cultivated in water gardens. National calendar. National calendar is Saka calendar. This is the official calendar to used in Indian along with the Vikram Samvat. National park. The national park is Corbett National Park, situated in Ramnagar, Uttarakhand. National tree. The national tree of India is banyan tree. The banyan tree is among the largest tree in the world. National river. The Ganga. Ganga is the most sacred river to Hindu. Ganga is also the longest river in India. The topic is completed. Thanks for watching.